Hi, welcome to the channel today, and today we're going to be kind of doing some cleanup. So before I'm going to be able to work, so I got to get this cleaned up and to kind of show you what I'm talking about. That's the way the garden looks over here where the peas are growing. Now one problem I have when I set this thing up here on my wheel hoe, which is what I'm going to be using, I've got it set up, let me set it over here, to where I've got those two in the back and they're trapping all this trash. So what I'm gonna do is take that off. That way all I'm having is a knife on the bottom of it. That way it'll just slice and cut those weeds off, make it a lot easier, and I won't be balling up all that trash on it. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna try to time about how long it takes me to do this, so you kind of see. Like I said, the weeds are way, I should have done this a week or two ago, but life happens. So be back in a minute. I've got part of this done, and we're going to go ahead and show you how it's done. It only took me less than 5 minutes to take those, probably 2 or 3 minutes to take the two back ones off. And the reason I did is it was collecting up. It is moving through it better. Well, I get a thunderstorm kicking up here, so I was trying to get at least most of this done, and it's working out pretty good. I did go ahead and put the WD-40 on the wheels, and that's all you have to do. It's not real hard. What this knife is doing is going underneath the bottom of it, cutting it. It's not hard. It tires you out, okay? Especially if it's really hot. There's a lot of weeds in here. Did a good job of knocking almost all the weeds out. And like I say, you see, it's going pretty good. They're allowing that weeds to go through it. I'll turn back, go the other way. You might go over here. Now this does kind of pain here, but you can go back and cut it that way. And this go up the other side. I did try to space these rows out. I planted it so I could go up one side and down the other. Now one thing that kind of concerns me is if you look at the pigweed out there, and that's this weed here. You see that's knocking them out, pulls it up, and that should kill it. Now, if you get rain right after this, it might not, but it really set them back. They're not growing very big. That would be kind of an indication of low fertility. But if you look at the grassy weeds, they are growing pretty good. So, I had put some fertilizer out. I think I'm okay. But just have to see. But you see, it doesn't take a tremendous amount of time to do this, nor a tremendous amount of time or effort to get up underneath these weeds. And actually, this is a wheel hoe, a Haas. Sales, they are fairly expensive. They are made in USA. They will last you a lifetime as long as you put them, take them inside. You don't want to leave these things out. This wood will rot. I had this in the shed. And like I say, I got these, like that one right there. I'm not going to get to it, but I got that other one free yet. But it's gotten dry, so if you don't get rain, it's kind of bad. So we don't want to have to water these things. But it works good. And something like this, this should go another end sometime. I am breathing out harder. And I don't have a mic on. This camera I got doesn't have a mic for it. The other one is. I started it. I don't have much other camera. So I started the video without my son, so that's why we're doing that now. We are going to have stuff like this here. Me in the middle. Just got to come in here and pull that up by hand. All the rest of these pretty much have gotten done. Should have pulled that one. But we just... So weeds here are pretty good. Like I say, you want your weeds to grow good. If they're not growing good, you're not going to grow good. But, with all that said, you got something like this, it's not going to work well. It's going to tie up, it's going to get stuff in, so you have to kind of stay ahead of your weeds. It'll work on these sides, but there's too much trash for a wheel hoe to work. This stuff in the middle, you got the hoop hole for it. Anyway, this one, you can maneuver it around. A lot of times you better let it die so you know which one's actually in it. So I'm going through here, I see this, and I can, okay, where's that? Go do that. And hopefully don't destroy too many of them. These in here's too thick. But see, all these are pretty much like that one there. It needs to be gotten. But done a pretty good job. I do like the wheel hoe. I had to do something. When I came out here, weeds would grow so fast, and trying to get to the regular hoe, even this hoe like this, trying to do this would take all day. That, like I say, it is an aerobic workout, but it's not a workout that requires a whole lot of strength. But anyway, I'm gonna get this done before it rains. And you're better off not for it to rain. You're better off to say, hey, I'm gonna get this done, let it sit for a day or two, it'll kill all the weeds, and then you get the rain, but can't be choosy when it comes to rain. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'm gonna get out of here before I get wet or struck by lightning. See y'all later. Bye. Well, I did get back in time. It did start raining, which is good. We needed good rain. We're gonna see how much it got. I got back before it started thundering so bad, because you know you don't really want to have a piece of metal touching the ground and you hold on to it with a stick. So I did bring it back in. Our lights has flickered, I think twice, but we haven't lost electricity yet. We do tend to lose that out here when you're in the country. That's one of the things that happens. But yeah, you don't be out in this stuff. I did have a friend, co-worker that died of lightning, so I do take it pretty serious. And he actually, it was out at the lake where his house was. I think he went to get better phone reception. He went outside, went in the backyard, front yard. I've heard both sides. And, you know, he got hit. So I do take lightning pretty serious. He's got to hit somewhere. It only takes one time. And the sad thing about that guy is he would go fishing out there on the lake, and I mean, there's been hundreds of times probably that he went out there, lightning flashing all around him, never got hit. And then the fluke thing, right before one kid was getting, I think one of his children was getting married, the other kid was graduating from A&M like within a month, and he had just retired. So really sad, but those things happen sometimes. You know, bad things happen to good people. He was a really good guy too, kind of salty type of person, but Anyway, it's coming down pretty good, and like I say, you can tell when I had that wheel hoe out there, it was working well. Like I say, Haas Tool does sell those wheel hoes. They work really nice. I did get it back into the shed. Used to want it to get wet. I didn't get the hoop hoe in the shed, but it didn't cost near as much. But anyway, just kind of let y'all know, yeah, we did get a rainfall and a lot of lightning. Hopefully we won't lose electricity. Thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.